Okay guys, my TV is loud, so I cannot speak. Oh my god. Trading Orcala, Bloodroot Orcala for your decision. Or a trillion, or pet, or anything. Or dragonfly, or red fox, or get my Odin Dindon tree, Odin Dindon, and stack of three Odin Dindon for red fox, or dragonfly. Dragonfly and two golden Chalavelos on my 2 second floor, and two Orcala or red fox. I don't know guys. Two golden giraffe, I mean diamond giraffe for your decision. It's all for guys, bye.